And welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm quite excited to show you the new Autopilot Exotics twin turbo kit for the Pre-LP Lamborghini Gallardo. Twin turbo, 62. It's a kit that consists of two 6266 precision turbos, precision wastegates, precision blow-off valves, handcrafted stainless steel and titanium piping, and Garrett core intercoolers made by me. I'm proud to say that I built this kit from the ground up and has my touch for my style and makes all the right sounds. It's aesthetically pleasing and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. You know, a couple months ago, and I got into this little competition with my wife on who could be the better project manager and build a nice little project, force induction, and something to be able to enjoy. Well, this is something that goes for me. The competition just started, but this project and my vision started about 10 years ago, and then every year that went by, I took a step closer and closer to turn this vision into reality, and thus here I am with my gated Pre-LP Lamborghini Gallardo. Couldn't be more excited. Forced induction twin turbo kit. This kit is called the viewer's choice. Why? Clearly because you can clearly see the view of the nice twin turbos peeking out the rear bumper. So theoretically speaking, I wouldn't have to ride around bumperless to show off the turbos, but this is a pretty neat design that I came up with the angle on the turbos, and the intakes are facing right outside. And right down the center, you can see the nice golden hue to the stainless steel exhaust piping. So these are K&N air filters, and then I got the turbo heat blankets on there. That's enough talking. Without further ado, I bring to you the montage. That is something to be proud of. You know, whenever you do something and you get butterflies in your stomach from like being so excited about something, this is definitely the feeling that I got whenever I was building this kit. And I could just finally, it was in my head, I could see it in my head, but once it became reality and it was actually in the car and I can actually put my hand on it and I can actually hear it, it was like such a big relief and a big excitement. I couldn't help but to tell a lot of people. So now I'm sharing it with y'all. But enough of talking about it. Let's go hear it. Now for the most important time, the cold start. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. My twin turbo gated 6-speed Lamborghini Gallardo. I couldn't be happier. She makes all the right sounds. Puts a little G-force in my chest. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this type of content, please hit that like and subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on the next project, because there's more twin turbo Lamborghinis coming, and I'll show you the process. Stay tuned.